Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
With the weather changing, it is so hard to figure out what to wear, and I am always cold. But thankfully, I have this blanket by Woolly Mammoth. It is nice and big. My husband is 6 feet tall, and you can see it is covering him fully. It is great for being outside while watching the kids play. It is perfect for an outdoor patio. It is a great color. And if you're sitting by the fire, it is great to line a chair or just to keep you warm when it gets a little chillier. It is nice and soft and it's not super thick, so it's not going to be too hot, but it really does keep you warm so well. I love the quality of this blanket and it is so great for being inside. I can snuggle up in my favorite chair and be fully covered.
Whether you need a super warm blanket for your house, for the outdoors, to keep in your car, this one is so perfect and such great quality. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.